Today I want to come to you and just show you very quickly the proper way to hold a knife. You're going to find the right tools for the trade make a huge difference. It'll make life so much easier for you and prep work so much simpler. Our knives have a lifetime warranty. Great because they're what we call full tang. They're one continuous piece of steel. They will never snap. There's basically just a couple of tips. Number one, don't put them in the dishwasher. The water is too hot for them and so is the air. It can work them. Also, the water pushes them around and it can ding your blade. Number two, only use a knife as a knife. What does that mean? They are not screwdrivers, okay? We can tell when we get them back with the tips off, we know what you were doing with them. Don't use them to open boxes. These are tools for your kitchen. Don't waste them. And thirdly, it's very important what you cut on. You should only use wood or bamboo. Do not cut on glass, or a lot of people have these beautiful countertops, right? Granite, it's nice and hard. If you cut on that, it won't hurt your countertop, but it'll hurt your knife, because remember, the blade is the most delicate part, and if it doesn't have give, you're dulling the blade every time you use it. All right. Oh, and last but not least, once you chop all your vegetables up, a lot of people will just take the blade and push it off. You are dulling your blade. Okay. So an easy way to do it is just flip it upside down and do it that way. But as far as holding your blade, so a lot of people will hold it and they will put their finger right at the top like this, and that's actually not the best way. What will happen is it's not a very sturdy way to hold your knife, and almost more importantly, it's going to hurt the tendons in the back of your arm. It can actually end up giving you carpal tunnel because of the way you're holding it. The way that you're supposed to hold a knife is you're actually supposed to grip the actual blade with your thumb and your forefinger. You're actually supposed to touch them and then take your other three fingers and just fold them around the bottom, all right? This, you have total control of your blade and it's never going to slip. When you go to cut, you're going to keep the top of your blade down. You're going to use what's called a rocking motion. So you can see that I'm just rocking and rolling, all right? You're not even lifting your knife. You're just rocking and rolling, pushing it as you go along. A really easy way to do it, and it's a great way to have your knives. This is the 8-inch chef knife. Take good care of your knives and sharpen them. A dull knife is way more dangerous than a sharp one. So I hope you enjoy your food prep. Yum.